Hi, and welcome to another episode of Hot Takes with me, the Silver Fox. This is not my video, this is just that pointer that I'm doing to Stephen McGinger, who's talking about the Greater Glasgow and Clyde. So do absolutely, when you see it, I'll pin the link down below. It'll be the pinned comment below. So if you could just click on that link and go and watch his video, it's definitely worth a watch, and it goes to show the sheer awfulness of what's going on. And it shows how brave he is to stand and fight and make a stance, given all the problems he's had and the sheer effrontery of the things that they're doing to him. So show him that, we're on his side. Thanks very much. Goodbye.